Are you looking for an ultra-compact monitored position indicator with IO-Link interface? Then this is the solution for you. Welcome to SIKO. Today I want to show you the new absolute position indicator AP05. The AP05 makes size changeover a child's play and 100% process safe. The basic idea is that all positions are monitored through an interface by the machine control unit. And the machine only starts when all settings are correct. This is especially interesting for very flexible machines, such as packaging machines. SIKO has been the leading solution provider for this monitored size changeover for 30 years. With ergonomic features that are being constantly optimized, we make operators' life easier. The backlit display is easy to read and has two lines. The first line shows the actual value of the position, and the second line the target value, which has been transmitted via the interface before. The LEDs indicate the position status with red or green. This has the great advantage that the operator can see at first glance which of the possibly several positions in the machine have to be adjusted at all. If the set point and actual value do not yet match, the red LED clearly indicates the direction to target. The ultra-compact housing of the AP05 is mounting compatible to the mechanical position indicator DA04. And as an option, you can get a cable outlet for an even more space-efficient integration of the AP05. And you can connect it then to an M12 industrial connector. For integration into the machine control, the new AP05 offers also an IO-Link interface in addition to the proven standards RS485 and CAN. Thanks to the open standard, it can be integrated into cost-efficient networks regardless of the manufacturer. Commissioning is easy and availability is maximized. For example, by the function backup and restore, which enables a smooth exchange of a device. The AP05 can also be combined with other IO-Link position indicators and actuators from SIKO. For example, also with the AP10S for slider adjustments. Please click on the links in the video description below for more information. I would be happy if you had further interest in this product. Please contact me for a test sample or any further information. Thanks for watching.